wey hold my that is the girl sit try for my body, that one the one even use ojuju finish my life sef, say na she dey help me, na she dey finish me. So na come call that one say, see o, this boy arrest me o, see where I dey o. Dem say make I find boy come. Na the boy come shout, why he go arrest you for wetin? That one come call my daddy. My daddy say, why he go arrest you? Make him call him own lawyer. Now say, I no want your lawyer, the thing don spoil now, me no need your own. I come tell my daddy, I no just need you for this case now, just make everybody just depart for me. I no need anybody for this boy now to even this boy he pour spit for una eye. For this boy to arrest me in your own presence, that means na spit, na slap he give una. So I really don't need anybody in this case. I will do it myself. So I can't call one lawyer, Barrister Idaagbo. The man come say in the Abuja. I can't say okay. So now my sister come say okay, may he come. She can't come. So the girls wey supposed to come carry me, get one girl wey they call Princess Akenzua, yeah, Princess Akenzua. She dey act Edo movie. So the girl don already call me, say she wan come pick me hat with her friend. So when those one call me, I come say na station I dey o. This boy don arrest me. That man shout say, why this boy go arrest you? Dey craze for wetin dey happen? He say, wetin your brothers, where your daddy? I say, really, I really don't want them to be part of it, because they don't. Because later they can't give me phone to call people. I can't begin to call. So that one come say she dey drive, they can't drive come. I reaching there, so girls come plenty. Will come be almost 10 girls there for police station. No boy to obey me. Now my other sister, where they already use ojuju, they pursue me, they go. The girl come say him husband are police, make they allow and bail me out. You understand? And time they go. It's almost to going to 12 where they will say happy Christmas, something like that. Now the policeman can't allow the girl to sign. She can't sign, can't bail me out. We can't go out. I reach us. That night, my friends where they want carry me go out, they don't allow me go out, go be cry. They say no, we must surely go out. We must surely go enjoy. If they not go allow me go, let me want go sleep for this nonsense. They carry me go out. I can't go the dance. I can't dance. Like she say, I just come out from inside one American prison. I can't go the dance for party. I was just enjoying that night. That night when they pay me, I enjoy finish. God was so called lucky. The girl, madam, my friend, she can't drive me back to where I stay. She can't say she know they go house. Make she come stay with me. She can't stay with me. And she stay with me now. So that night, before that night, I dream. The dream where I dream, I see this very story where I want to talk. So I see this man. So the man come like so tattered. So they come attack my boy, this my pikin. And this my pikin, they attack him for grant also for Nigeria. They come attack him. And they attack him for grant. For the dream, I come see and say, this man come appear. He come say, now he want save this boy, my pikin. See, make I bring the pikin. I can't give her my pikin. Can't carry my pikin. I say, carry my pikin now, like this. Now so he carry my pikin, come press, get wetin they give my pikin eat. You understand? He say my pikin, they don't give am something poison. So now so he carry the pikin for inside the dream. He carry and press am. The baby come vomit, the thing come out. As he vomit the thing come out, come give me the baby again. Say my baby my baby don't dey free. He say but me. He say I go follow and go live disconnect in some religion. I beg the una dey go. They come out now this thing. I don't know which kind of religion una dey. All these religion people just they give me strike. Una dey craze. I never meet una. Una go strike tire. Egbe abi wowa. So now so he can't say the man can't tell say na my turn na reach so say but my own he no go fit do am for year for that dream for that moment. He say I go follow and reach in your whole house. So I can't dey follow am. I dey follow am. I no wan follow am because people call the first miss make I follow am. I can't follow am. I can't reach one place. I can't say no. I no go follow am enter that place. That's why I can't get up. So the next day after I don't come out from inside police station where I sleep wake up. I come my mind because no, I don't see this dream. So a day before they come arrest me, that day when they come arrest me, as I see the dream before the day they arrest me, that day I go I carry gen go where they want repair the gen. As I reach where they want repair the gen with my children, where the park children they work out with my pikin. So I carry my pikin, say make I buy, since they repair the gen, make I buy something for one kiosk, one old woman kiosk like that. I carried my baby, I go that kiosk. One chief sit down for that kiosk. Chief, he do this matter. He sit down for the kiosk there with a chief title dress. As I reach there, because I get respect, well. As I reach there, I come greet I don't know why I put this color. My color is dull, yeah. This will not be my color, my people. So I come say make I buy something to eat, and may I still buy for the children. As I reach that place, I come greet the man. Lakun sa, lakun ma, lakun sa, lakun. This my lakun. I know the eye is short. Like everywhere I to wear and put. I come greet the man. Come greet me. He say, "Oh, kumu via me. He go momo say." He say, "Ah, oh mona, what's mona say mona ayowa?" Come they tell me say, "Why I not leave this my baby for us?" He say, "See me they no go kidnap am." He say, "I for leave am for us." I say, "Na house. If I leave am for us, my mind no go even rest now." He say, "No. Say me no dey carry like that. They go outside. Oh." He say, "This baby too fine. No. See me cannot allow me to go kidnap am." The man just advise me so weird, so good. Now I say, okay. Then he say, if I buy wetin I don't buy finish, may I come sit down with am for here. Now I say, okay. Say wetin we come do. Now I say we dey repair gen for that place. So as you don't buy finish, I come say me the EJ give am shinap. Not shinap. I come say me they give am shinap. They come give am one bottle of shinap. You understand? As they give am one bottle, the man say, "Ah, which pikin you be?" See, make I sit down with am. I come sit down. Now he open the shinap, come they use am dey pray. He pray finish. Now he tell me say, make I come see am for in shrine. Say in a this thing herbalist man also. Say he be chief in a herbalist man. Party income for this place here, so they never start in the. Now he say me sit down with this his sister for here first. So the man comes make I come see him. He don't pray for me. He say because I need to draw death out of my life. Or when it's zesu, I must to zesu yegbere. Egege wano. He say fast. He say fast. The way the man take talk, he say no. He say because the way I take greet her now. He say I be good person. He say this death not be my own. Say make I come soon. Now he say fast. Make I come remove death for my life. Nah. Say it's urgent. Now I say okay, I'll come see him tomorrow. Willingly, I was not even thinking of going and seeing him. I just tell her say I'll come see him. As we come up for that place, now I go out say I sleep before this guy call for inside, come arrest me. So the next day was on the 25th of Christmas. This man where I know one may I go see before, because this is the dream that I dreamt. I saw a man who helped my son to remove the poison when they poison my son for that dream. And he tell me say me my own now he own shrine now my own they go. If he cast me for that place, he say I must come this shrine. The same man now see the next day before this guy arrests me. The man come tell me say I must come to him or altar in shrine. Say death. May I call remove death come up from body. So which I was even thinking to go back to that man to call, give me a number. I just collect. I don't want to go. I don't want to see him before. But when this boy arrest me finish, I said no. I want to fight him back. I said I want to fight this boy. So the extent, truly, I be want even take this boy life, because what did they do me? They too do me. They tell una story. Me, I be want do something way strong. Now my spirit, now he hold me. Now my spirit hold me say they want me that they look me like this. Nah, make I fight her by myself. I be want even kill the boy, kill the mama from off for road. I don't go lie for now because they too do me. So that the next day night was on the 25th, which that my friend wey come carry me go out in the night of it. The guy there with me. The girl there with me. So I come tell the girl say, see the man where I see you that on the 24 before this guy come arrest me. I don't first see him for drink, you understand? He say make I go now. So why I go the door like that? Make I go make drive me there. She can't drive me there. She can't say okay, she dey go ask, go pick some things, some clothes where she want to change. She can't drop me for that place. Me and some friends we can't go that place. As we reach the man place, the man come tell me say, see wetin I will quick go buy. He say make I go down. Say Baba, no, we fit go buy those things. He come say make I give am money. He come to send somebody that money. Go market, go buy those things. Come, what you want buy? He say this cloth where I wear. Sorry for this cloth, because he tell me say if I dey come, make I bring extra cloth follow body, because the cloth where I wear, I not go wear and go back. He say wetin I can't do. Now say I can't do my papa birthday. He say, could you know say after birthday, my enemy fit pass am? Now I say why? He say they set trap for me. He come say okay, mo wait, make they buy the thing come. They can't go buy the thing come. At the corner, he can't carry me for inside for a motor, carry a lot of things with my friends. We can't carry me go one land. According to him, say na urban land. The land dey far. E be like say if they come for Lagos side now, so down there the land dey very empty land like this. Carry me go there. The man dig ground. He dig ground for that place. He dig the ground. He carry water. He say make I bath inside that ground where he dig. E be like if you want bury person now, the way the ground be. Now so he take dig am. So say make I open my leg for the ground for that thing for that cover. May I bath with that cloth, pray, put. I come bath and pray. Come tell me say if I bath finish, if I dey come meet them for where they dey for car, make I not look back. I can't say okay. So as I bath finish, come say if I bath finish, the cloth I go remove her, put her for inside that hole. May I put her for inside that hole. If I put her for inside that hole, may I not just look back. From there they come, he go come bury am by himself. Now say okay. As I bath finish, I put the cloth, put am for inside the hole. And so I should go the way he lead me. I can't go meet them. Reaching that place, the man can't go do what he want to do. We can't come back home. As we come back home, I can't tell the man the story waiting I passed through for this boy. Because the day when I call on that 25, I was crying. All the cry to her, say, see what this boy do. The thing pay me. What I do where I deserve this nonsense. I say I don't deserve what this boy do. Come say make I call now take hand up for that man house. So I call the tell her, I say, okay, now what you want make I do for her? And this very man, you know they hide am. It show me mortar. Mortar where they take the pound like this. He say make I see this mortar. He say now take the key, into the key. He say in and which saying the key for person, but if I go pay am 1 million, he go kill person. My mind now, me I don't beat her. I don't beat her. They talk say, make they die. Now after I don't come out for that place, now my spirit come talk to me say, make I not try do anything. May I not hurt anybody. May I not fight for myself. If not, they will leave me put. The man call me, I can't tell her that day, no, my spirit not allow me to do that thing. My spirit not allow me. May I leave her for God. I can't say okay. Which I invite this very man also to my daddy's birthday. So after that set and door, you don't do that sacrifice finish. So the next week was my daddy's birthday, which I'd already set the birthday. Could you know say all my papa children where they did UK so? Where he say they not go do birthday again because say my papa put out for my birthday day. All of the country to come, they come sit down, invite their friends. Now me carry canopy, now me do everything, decorations. If you see that birthday where I do for my papa, but not go there. Immediately the birthday way they do not reach the way I do my papa home. People call it was glitter the way I want it. I do decoration, make sure say the floor was sparkling. My papa was happy. How this my stupid idiot brothers, they consider invite their friends, even cook, send one of their useless sister wey be witch, wey they call Iyeya. They come send that one, make that one cook. That one come cook assorted for them. So caterer wey me carry, all of them. Now they even now me spend money, but now they serve, now they do the party. They come they dance one by one. Music where I carry, they come they dance. How they call them one by one. They call they dance. No party now. Me now where I do party, I don't see. I share clothes. All this rapper. For my daddy's birthday, I share lot of things. I share rapper. I share lot of things which I don't feel name. Lot wine. I share wine. On my, I can say then they drag my papa. They don't want my papa dance with me. Because of the money where they want spray. My stepmother, very useless family. I know just no kind. I don't know whether my family be like that. This family where they forget me come out. Because I don't go while me down. About West no ya carry the name that power. We are a family in the very non-ethic family. They call they now not be una do birthday for una. Not be una spend money on. They call they fight for the money where they display for my papa. If person want cause my papa, they dance with me. If the person want cosplay my papa, they go drag my papa come up for where I dey. So that they will pick the money for where they dey for that place. I can't they pick the money. So person where come they pick money, they follow me. I can't tell the person may not they pick the money again. So now they I can't say now then they suffer, not me they suffer. May not they pick any money, may they leave for them. So may come because they don't they dark, people don't they go. More go share the things, gift where I get a lot of gift there. Even this man where they told this Juju man will be cheap, so can't even vex come on. The police where this boy say arrest me, the policeman, the DPO, I invite and he come because the policeman now could become my best friend. Till today the policeman became my boy best friend. The policeman where this boy say arrest me, he now became my bestie. I don't come talk that he talk the boy whole story finish for that place. I will come finish him for police station. Now that one will be next other video. But the policeman come become my best friend. The policeman was there. So as I dey share the things where I want share gift where I want share for people now. Now so these stupid brothers of mine, they just shoot gun. The gun where they shoot, he follow me for my belly. And they tell una say I don't die before. I just resolute. When they find Jesus, and I say Jesus they come. Jesus is coming. Jesus is here. Jesus have resolute. Jesus have resolute. The gun where they shoot, the gun enter my belly. He shake my cloth. God was so lucky, my children. You know, as they share something, they go now. The father of my first son come with us. So my small boy now there with this woman, this idiot, the sister, senior sister, the first daughter, the woman. Thank God say the gun not reach their side. Maybe I wish waiting this man go do for me. I wish I not do her. Another story for the talk. Maybe it might not be me. Maybe for being one of my child, now they target. The gun where they shoot, they just direct the gun to me. Now they direct the gun to because how the gun take pass me for belly, go knock the boy where home. No say this sack bag, all this sack will be like a rice bag. Those bag where they put rice and beans. Now I pull load the clothes, the wrapper where the share put. The boy help me hold this side, me hold this side. Now so the gun enter my belly. As he enter my belly finish, he go eat the boy for here. And this very boy, so this my friend where I say he borrow me money, so this my friend, now his boyfriend, fiancé, where be one married before. You understand? And the fiancé. Now the boy, now he got then the gun go meet. And one other boy again, where be like say he they help me because that my sister where they carry me, they go juju to juju, where to one useless my life. His own boy, he gave that one get boy. His own boy too. The gun can go knock that one too. My parents not even ask. All people where we invite, why I invite, both the one we come for Europe, everybody come they run for their life. Imagine in a party they shoot gun. Why will you shoot gun? Are you a military man? Una be military? Why una go dey shoot gun in a party? This was the thing I was avoiding because I said they say I don't need that for this, any tax. I don't need that for this my papa birthday. I don't need, everybody has to behave himself. That is what I wanted. But they still try to take my life inside birthday. Go away, they shoot. go comot the people. If I the video sef, I go find am where they sit down. See where canopy dey, see where they sit down for another one austere like that. They sit down for that place. So the canopy dey here. The gun leave people wey this canopy come penetrate on my own belle now. Belle, my shirt, the shirt where I wear now, lace, the lace shake like this. That gun now come go eat the boy wey help me hold the sack back. Come go eat am. Now that night, my papa mama no even call to ask say, hey man, to see why people wey the gun meet, how are they doing? Whether we carry them go hospital. Till today, they don't even ask of those things. Now we can later rush those two boys, to the hospital. Come rush them go to the hospital. Thank God say, na injure say it not take their life. Now so that one can go. From there, I can get BB for my family now. I can't divest for the family. Can't divest for my papa, divest for my mama, divest for everybody. Immediately I come back. Now I start to enter Facebook. I can't they bully them for Facebook. Can't they try to talk, to react to things that I went through. You understand? Can't they try to say, how can a family like this will be that so useless? All waiting they love, waiting they love na darkness. They don't like blinker things. Darkness, so dirty people. And so I enter Facebook because of this my family. This boy story go be other next video. I will take finish the police station. I'll come tell you other video. From there now, I'm not going to talk to my parents, talk to my papa, I'm not going to talk to my mama. My papa come begin, they beg me. So the day where I come forgive my papa, now one day when he call me, he call. Although before then, he felt talk saying disown me, because after we get that quarter, my mouth not good. My mouth, I can tell you what it go make you go dig. You go dig grave, enter inside. This my mouth. I fit tell you something, you go dig grave, you enter inside. So when my me and in the house get this bag, I can't tell him what we pay now. He can't go call everybody, call Azen, call everybody, report my matter to everybody. Me no know. My mama too not tell me. So now when they find something they go, and which I now go dispose, they find help, they go, he can't call me. As he call me now, I say, let's speak it with the son. Then they call her. Why not call all those his children? Why every time me, then they call. Hey, my pikin, forget that thing. Not be only you when I get now, make I forget now. That one still there. Make I bring money, make him go do something. He want buy casket. And so, no, never put it. They have you up, look at the never put it. I came before. So, because say make I bring money, make them go buy caskets. Say you want buy caskets, and he go buy some things because he reports my case to night, and he tell a lot of people which is he don't want anything to happen to me. Now I say which casket? Where can I can't tell him say whether he not go even wait me if he die first before I go buy casket. I say even birthday way I do, you know rich casket. Birthday way me do for you, you know rich casket. I say me forget. It is say what you do, the cost where you cost me go reach my body. I say no, reach my body. So which casket? I said no, they buy any casket. He said no, not be real casket, not be real casket. Now the one that they sell for all this Kemi. Now I say even though na Kemi you, me no they buy you casket. If you die, I go buy casket. Why I go come buy casket? He said, Mama, good my pikin. I go do one by myself. And say, now you know. So what he asked me, I can't to forget and we can't continue our play again. I can't do it for now. And then we can continue as a father and daughter. As we continue as a father and daughter, that time my partner 60 asked me, say, that person will go meet. How? What happen? You know, ask me. So there was a day he come call me. As he call me finish, he dey tell me say because he go remember again the place where I do for a house. He say the one no worry yoja. I no start. I want to talk am for English. The one where they shop and so now that place where the toilet dey where I not do reach inside room. Say now that one just dey shop am for my so. So I can't get enter line with my mama children. So one of my sister wey dey Jamie there. All of us come dey line, we come dey talk. As we dey talk, now I come dey tell my sister say, see wetin daddy talk. No, e be like say na that my sister call the group that they call mama group. As he call my mama group, come dey talk with the dream wey she dream about my papa. So as he the dream when she dream, so now I come dey talk say my papa dey tell me say that place where I no do. That is, he say the toilet supposed to make the toilet dey inside his own room. You understand? Say that place supposed burst out to his own room. Now the girl come say, okay, more we donate money, more we do am. Now my younger ones come tell me say that they no dey gree. Many times where people want to do the house, that they no dey gree. Say because of the senior children, all those one the senior wife children, we want to rent the place. That they no dey gree, make they touch that house. Say no go gree. Now say me no worry, I go talk to her. That they go gree. I go talk to her, I go green because he tell me say he want more bust that place, make the toilet dey inside his room. So now I come tell them say more we donate. Now my younger sister come dey Jamie come tell me say okay, more will not worry, more will not donate. Say he go talk to your husband go do the place, he go do am. Now I say really? He say yes. He say make me just talk to my papa. Now I can't go talk to my dad. I said I can't go talk to my daddy now. So my daddy now he can't tell me say no. He no will not do all of them. Your own part, that your own place, your own side. Now you want the from parlor to your own room. Now you want say because not be we want to reach the place. All those use them because my daddy they cost that's the first wife. They cost them big cost. Like they cost them with his children. They cost them big cost. My daddy come they say now they want to return. More will not do the all the building. Say but more will do that in parlor go reach inside. Now say okay. So now I can't go tell my younger sister say he agree. He's come say okay. My younger sister come put down for one of his friend. The friend they do this wetin they call am again. Wetin they call am now. People where they renovate houses. You know all those people where they renovate house. My younger sister can't use almost roughly if I'm not going to lie. Almost 20 million or 18 million now they use to renovate that house. Because my daddy has to say the truth. The parlor go reach that way my papa say more would do and reach so. If you don't they fall, they scatter for their head. This one a man where born plenty children. This one a man where born 58 children according to them. Am I not be level near to have Viola Diana? The house be done the fall for your head. My younger sister's husband, they will both spend. Even my papa use the man tell me. Say the girl where they give the contract. Even they talk and say, why they tell me, they say the girl shop my sister money. Why my sister don't give them the money, make they do them by themselves. And papa say they forgive give her the money instead. He go call labor make they come do them by himself. Why my dad he say that girl shop their money well. Not knowing that the girl, even though they say the girl even shop, but the house was about to fall down the roof. They spent almost 18 to 20 million, if I'm not mistaken. They come, if you see the parlor, people will come my papa funeral, will come my papa house for funeral time. If you enter my papa parlor, I know I be, not be so it be before. This one my mama children, now he do one. This one are the people now where my all these bastards where my papa born so where they cost my mama children, they cost my mama. The shame for come meet them for this time around. The shame for come meet them as the papa die. See people call they greet, they call they see where they stay. Say now inside shit. Now they day. These are the people insulting my own mother. For the blessing where my mama come bless una for that family. For shame where my mama come take away from her for una high. My sister husband come renovate the place. This thing they enter my nose. Anything. Air pressure. Enter my nose. for shame wey my youngest wey we take out from una site. They come repair the parlour, come if you see am come be like say na my papa now, at least I dey go reach my house now, I dey see the way reach my parlour be, the way their bedroom be, you know. Some hotel, if you enter some hotel, you know how their bedroom and this thing be. Na so my papa bedroom come be, not as before. My papa happy before he die, happy. Come happy the way we take do one. Papa go begin pray for us. We can't do one. Wetin these people, this family, this dirty family, say my mama do that. Nah, me no. Na mama make una eat. Na make a lot of una even go to school una go. Na make a lot of una even enter Europe una dey. Na mama make sure say una even get life. Una the person see una for outside and say Osula pikin. The day when musicians, after my sister we don repair that house. So when my papa come die, so no say the table when my sister buy for that place, at least before my papa die, after we don't repair the house, I think take 3 years. After it be like say na 3 years after or 2 years after my papa die for inside, at least a year. The table when my sister buy, the chairs when my sister buys, they still dey there. The table when my sister buy, na still dey there. That table come even scatter, table come boom. As table boom now, they still get that table there. Then when they dey there, when they talk say they not go Europe, say they get money, where be children, where they there, where they collect money for inside market. Having you one in your bar market in Webogbe. People where urban market people don't cost. All those boys where they collect ticket money for my papa children, for among some of them where they collect ticket, then urban market don't cost. Where market people don't cost finish. They not see that table, may they do another table put for that place. They live on like that. My papa can't die. As my papa died, this thing where I want to, some musicians knows about it. Some musicians knows about it. The day when musicians come give their condolence. When they come, as they enter parlor, sit down, they need to give the musicians drink now. They want to give them drinks and cola nuts. You understand? Yes, you want to welcome them. You get one table where it be like say, not be table, it be like this table where not be, you know, if you do bed for Nigeria, people where they get these things for Nigeria, if you do bed finish, you get one table where they do follow bed, where they put near bed like this. Not be table because they use rope, all this cloth take cover the table, the small table. They use cloth take cover them. The table not they even the whole cup of drink because now cloth now phone they put on top. That one and I me do at that time for my papa room when I first go renovate my papa room before my sister can generally do scatter all of them called do one glint. So the table, my papa not through where the table was, my papa was still using it because he dey stretch his leg put for inside house. Now that table they go bring come out from my papa room, come put for musician present to put drink now. And they wanted to put that drink in my own present. I was looking at them, even the musicians was even looking at them. And they put that drink, the drink no gree stand because now form the drink no gree stand. They can't go they find table. They won't even go carry stew. That one way they call stew. Those small joko, those small table, this thing come for another person cup and make they come put the drink. Now say I tell them say make they wait. Say they come. Now I enter inside market. I can't go buy table for present of my brothers, both the one way come from Northern, the one way come from America, both the one way dey Europe, the one way come from Europe, the one way dey Nigeria. All of them, they are present. They all looking at me. They could not even think of going and buying a table. May they put those drinks. They was searching for a useless, condemning chairs to put in front of musicians so that they can put the drink. I got to grow because me, I like weird glitter things there. Now so I run, go buy table. As I they go, now so where I for buy table, they can't call these people where they drive wheelbarrow. They call the wheelbarrow person, follow me, carry on all house. As I reach us, now so I put in the presence of the musicians. I'm telling you, this thing where they talk, a lot of musicians are aware of it. That's why I can't carry the table enter in their presence, just buy in their presence, carry and enter. come put am for their present, they come put the drink, and then they start to dey pray for us. So see these people now, this useless family wey dem from born me come out, they gbe ma wey and they gbe ma honor wey ni na. Wetin my mama do there? For every kind of mother wey bring light to your own tone now, wey bring this kind light for una, or take send agbea, or na take Ghana, because una be witch, azenwa ochikuwa na tie, why ma gwa le no ma we oh wa. They begin just my mom. They after killing my mom, they begin throw stone from nowhere. You people think people on social media will just begin to insult my family because of say they just enjoy to insult my family? No. Now home. As another one, it's what them they do. If they do it for night, they'll give out to their members in the day in the social world to come and finish up, because they know say they me myself where they throw the stone to me, I no go feel anything. So even though you give them to the world, to the other people side of the world, I will not. You can't put me down. Never. You can't see my tears. You can't put me down. Nothing. Because all I feel in my life, I feel I'm bigger, and that is now me be the main queen and the king in the family. I feel more bigger than you people. So I was thinking that now see they carry children, they bombard children. Simba ma we born 58 children. Cannot be here see later do wa eva you be oi. Ni buro no ye you be oi. Awa si le ya zigi do kun e yo mu da to gba lomo here. Nene mo na bie na ro pa ni gbe ohoro. Igbe ma ohian, ye ma o ya o. They don't know how to take away shame out of their lives. But if they see somebody where they do it, they will begin to throw stone. Because if they were against us, because we were the one supporting our daddy, we were the one doing everything for our daddy. That is why they hate us. Why go be saying that we they do it? Why go be saying that we they do all these things for our papa? I get to see I wish we leave that house the way it was. It be the way it was. True to God, a lot of mocking will come for these people. They will not feel it because not be them the social world. Not be them the light spot. They'll take fila. Who know them? Nobody know here. Better I know here where they're not the social world. That is why they will not feel it. They leave their papa. Make their papa marry. They beat their papa for the house. Yeah, my way. Area get the author you. And I have a state barrier. Because they want to state barrier. Now una call me, and una papa say make I call the tell una. They remember where una for faith for the life. I will still keep on telling you now. Anywhere you go with my name, if you have children, your children will answer for me. If you does not have any children, you yourself, you will answer for me. That is what my ancestors said I should tell you all. And it has started. It don't start. My children don't answer. Before this very woman Pekin die, we died last night. This Ishan woman Pekin, where Pekin die. The Pekin day, I think the girl would be, if I'm not mistaken, the girl would be 15. I'm 40. Because if I'm 47, she's supposed to be 47 also, but she used some months. 3 months takes in me. Before this girl die, me I see her for dream. I see her, this woman come. I know the road where they pass. I don't let they pass that road finish. Oh. He say make I pass the road, go back. That is, he say, now he picking say make I pass the road, go back. He say you want pass. Now I say for waiting, when I don't they pass and finish. I don't they pass this road finish now. You say you want pass. Why will you pass? You know if you pass. Me don't they pass and finish. She wants fight me for the tiny road now. Me already they pass and finish. She want they fight me. That's why I put her for inside the hole where they there where they call down. They put wood for the tiny the like say I want to call am. Now all this gutter, gutter, this gutter where erosion they pass, they put wound like this. So me already pass with that straight road with that wound. So and the gutter this side water, the dirty water. So now she they fight me now to draw me back so that she can pass. I say no. Now me already the pass and one pass and finish. So now you go clear road for me. For here she they drag with me. That's why I just throw away, put her for inside the river. Now mama see say I push the pikin for inside that place. The woman just come in another person face. Now he use come shower. He just come. He say he go tell us say our wish dey learn. He say he go use the pikin take show example for me today. He go carry cutlass o. If he say as he slice the pikin for that dream, hey, I slice on my very own. He say slice on more. He slice over here any. Oh no, why the cutlass bastard? He want to use. For the dream, she said she want use the pikin to show example for me. Say it's strong pass me. Say the wish way dey inside me. Say it's strong pass me. Say want use the pikin to show example. If you see as he slice the pikin with cutlass, me myself I call the Google. That's why I carry cutlass. He just dey slice the pikin, slice. Yes, they slice and finish. That day they come for me. Now me cower. And they run, they go. I come for inside the hole. Waiting, they run, they come for me. I said, they don't for this be I did. He said, make I do my hand like this. Make I do my call. They say, oh God, I call they pray. God, come and help me. He said, make I do my hand like this. That's why I use the cutlass. That cutlass now. The cutlass now, this side of it. That's why they wipe my hand like this. I said, they wipe my hand like this. That's why I get up. As I get up, I come go to my altar. I come sit down for there. I come they pray there. They pray. It never reach a week. Now they say the pikin die. It never reach a week. Now they say the pikin die. The girl die. Do you understand? So don't play with karmas. There are some people you can play with. There are some people you can touch. Not be everybody you work or amunda. I say maybe I get wetin I do now really. Maybe your pani wa gele wa igbo omoju wa or iwu eni anything wa ya but imanu your panu where wa popo me unu me na egi megwe sis wa popo me ya must wa kuwa ma no dia zuna wa waka ya must wa kuwa because again na mi wa polo gbe when you come for me I will come and expose you. Yes, I will come and expose you. It never reach a week. That girl when you use cutlass, take cutlass, she die. The girl die. The girl die. Family go come out, they will go outside, they go join people, they go to call. Now, if you see some people where they call for all this useless Edo platform, some Edo platform, see some people where they call them. Some are my family, now they call them. So now they talk say why the family and they call to their family, they call to their family. The same family now they carry themselves, they go outside. Now the same family now they fly put. Who you want to say? Who you want go hold? Who you say me we go? When family when they don't fly, do call their neighbor. Which is come, there is food here. Come and eat. Now the same family now they bring out themselves. So for me now, where God call, where my ancestors are present to the world, I must see their hand. I must see their hand. Una go kill una children finish. Now the assignment where I give una food, now be that. So I rest my case. That is the assignment I give una. Una go kill all una children finish. Ugu wanishi yani wanazen. Lare iye semi iye ya. Wa yo bowe gbeli wo yawa. Uke paya bona. Mana gbeli wo yawa fone. We pa. Koso we azunwe osowo bi sanoro. Do my me no time awe. Amebegi ya ni ke ya atari yeke pepe. Me togi me bi yeke. Ota agbo me na togi me na. Do you understand? Who we are why you book Billy way our demon mate. Mana belly way for the way making with you. Way making with you because of who as we oh if for Korea obesa all then when obie doji. As we all then working there is okay obesa all then it can all be donaji. obviously why your boy wari ya bi e wa e kan oni wa o wa ze wa zo wa gwa oni wa gwa le pussy here get e wo wa tinye o daughter very man ota ma be ni ati e o over your boy ria wa wo wa no wa di vie ya di post no wa e post on wa mo ye o wa di no wa di agbi vie ya wa ai be mi o mo pa no ya gyo pa ju vie e be se when o go no wo bi do we hina apaso wana when apaso wana wo ai boy gbili we ya wa e kisi ni wo ta so why boy gbili we ya wa ubege mi ame no gbogi azen ro ge iye baby no giazen iye baby no giazen iye di no giazen ni ubege mi ame no gbo ni akla ogo ni self o be ko be ya ge o ke ya gbili bi o tin o yo sa emere ni okay wu o ma gbe loge ona gbili bi o tin o sa emere ona dizi so sa emere ya no sa emere ya re za ona tinto de sa emere ye re za ma egbo no sa emere je oni ye we to ni be bi ne de ewe yimi no ni o sa emere ji to sa emere bi we yimi o yin na wa ya zan we ya sa emere wa ya da o ma gbe baby wa o ma gbe di wa ya gbona de ne ave de di o ase ni di wa zuwa di ki o ki o da anyan wa ri won bo di ki o da yan ki o le moroko ya da di zuwa ba gbona ba gbe e baby o wa e baby no giase odo le baby le mare o giase ve no ijo ni ma gbe baby o ma gbe baby o ke pa abege we ne apaso wana wo kan gbe baby wo ge mi wa jo bo gbeli wo we baby gbeli baby bai ehun ni giwa e ni ni ancestors we ni kamu wa ni ohun ai gbo we fu ni o gbo ge baby bai sisi je ma gbe baby wa ona gbe ibi oti on ibi saye mere no gi anxiety ana me o saye mere ma gi yon dogwa adult for that matter ma gi yon dogwa yare ona ga biele ye wo bi o ma gi yen di e mo wa gbona be Nigeria ona wa forget bi ri o wa we ana me wo o wa me ti forget mo e mo no bi e ma gi yen dogwa for one on ma gi yon for many years talking about 30 to 35 years o ma gi yon dogwa abo giase why gbeli we for ne apaso wa why gbeli yese ni why gbeli we ya for ne o fese baby be edi keke be no pa no ro e me ha yes yin asi ai no you to no why fese baby e be babele mo ya ne baby bi ne o gbele ya for o gboredi o gbedi bi ya for ne we ke pa agbonare e battle ma waje wow abo giase useless families useless concumbilities biele bastard. See, if you be man, true to God Almighty, to say the truth of God, when you date woman, they know woman where you they carry. Why you got married or sokman kuno, sokman wohe, they no sokman kuno, sokman wohe. Ami we no we are, ami we nema. Sokman wohe. There are a lot of smelly pussy. There are a lot of women that are not supposed to be married. Now they see some people now you as a man, if you see your man like you, oh, if you see man like you, thank God say man this thing they don't give me from the one who cut herself. If you see man like you go the hell hey, if you see that man wife, if you see as his wife sharp, his wife fine, this and this, why you not go marry fine wife? Why you yourself not go find better wife? But my papa or my papa you go they carry rubbish. No ba via be as also. E ma ya ni akafu wa de be. E ma ni akafu wa wodo. Ni afulo kwa wodo. Almost all of them my papa almost all of them, including my mother. Ale ya na akafu wa de be. Won wa sile ya wa. All the name we e pity no ku. All the pack all of them they come. E ki wa gbe. No get no that na be bastard that be mama. Mama ti gba ore. I mean 58 children, no one to call one. Rubbish children. Me I go the deal with una. I go the deal with una until God don't finally say make I come down Nigeria. Now I do my woman no can be the door. I won't bra. If you get one way, then wait before the line finish. If you get one wait my partner they marry him again no London no be Obiosa no London money no war. Oh, this woman not there with my papa again. But her eye not come up from my papa house. Her eye not come up from my papa house. She dey poke nose with her witches. Hera me wu no da je wa eja ona he no yori do atebe no sebo wa wani. Ma bega spirit da me egbu wede. We no be o sana. Spirit di me o egbu wede. Mesi wa ai. Because imam no di we ade uche gba ne won na gbo we yegbenu ti we ni we ni habi we ne gbe ma ko ni no gbe no ni je school English. Ya ni je school English. Uno na tinya lawa o ma tinya lawa. Wona we ni ya do afi gbegiji me. Wa mi wo no ko na dogun ma gbo ya da. Wo to bu ye bu ave ye bu e bere iwe ya. Wa ye bu e bere iwe wa bere ya fo ne. O ikele su wegbe. Ah oh, idiot. So I'm done for today and satisfy my spirit. This is what my spirit wants me to do today, and I've given it to them. Yes, I have given it to them. This is what for the part 2 is coming for this guy. The part 2 is coming for the story of how the guy arrested me, how the where I end up, how we end up the arrest. The part 2 is coming. I never faced this one. This one as most people they take their own matter. Because imagine something me away, very useless family. Idiot. Alright guys, I can't see message again because this thing is counting. When it's counting like this, it will not show again. You only see me, but there is something that blocks the face now. This thing says slice. It said they draw the side to the feet, the bruise. I don't know the brass. I don't know. So I have drawn it and it's not going. They come out until you can't finish. Go come cut. Do you understand? So I'm done for today. May God continue to bless you all and cover you all. The nice people there that has been following me, may God mercy always speak for you. May the mercy that I found in God's sight, may God Almighty allow you to find that mercy also. Remain blessed, guys, and be good heart there. Let your hand be clean. If your hand clean, you can win all this battle. If you know the battle where I face, where be like say nothing they reach where I did. Now because say my hand's clean and my heart is pure towards everybody, my heart is pure. That is why wherever they throw to me, it will not come to me. It will not come to me. Nothing. Let your hand be clean and your heart be good. Well, anything where you they pass through, always be good. If you they pass through stress, no they feel that stress where you they pass through, no they feel that. Make sure say through that stress, they bless others. They bless others. Now that thing, that blessing where you they bless others, that be your own. This is victory. That be your victory. That be your victory. Please, guys, take this from me. That is your victory, because what I see in life, the way people want me dead, the way they have the stories I have met in life. I supposed not be talking today. I'm supposed to be gone far away. But because of I'm good in heart and I don't throw back, that is why I get victory. So remain blessed, guys. Always be guided over there. This world is too deep. Truly, it's too deep. If I